Welcome to the tutorial for the new Faculty Analytics dashboard within Picmonic.com. Log into Picmonic.com. Click Educator View in the top right of the home screen. You will see your students' engagement data. Click any student to see their specific history, which you can see by date or by subject area. By subject, you can drill down to see specifically what your students are learning. Click in the top right to cycle between students. You can also view how all of your students are doing by subject area and drill down similarly to see what your students are using Picmonic on and what they maybe are struggling with compared to other subject areas. If there are a lot of students on your dashboard, it makes sense to make a class to be able to filter just your students in, say, your Nursing 200 course, which just started and ends at the end of the semester. You can then select from students that are already showing on the dashboard or invite additional students to start using Picmonic. When you go back to the dashboard, you can then filter just for that class specifically. You can also filter based on what your students have just done this week specifically, maybe last week, and also change when you're saying a week begins, whether it's Monday or Wednesday, based on when you teach, or put in a custom date filter, maybe to see everything your students have done in the month of September. If there are no students showing on your dashboard when you start to use Picmonic, no problem. Just click Class and Student Management and invite students. By doing this, you'll create accounts for the students with 2 weeks of free premium access, then a 20% discount on a premium subscription, and enable them to show on the progress tracking dashboard. To do this, click Get Started, download the CSV template, click to open that, paste in your student email addresses, save, continue, upload that spreadsheet. That was apparently the wrong spreadsheet. Let's go back and do that again. 6 new contacts found, click continue. You can personalize who this is coming from. Click confirm and send. Your students are invited to Picmonic. It will also create a class for you automatically with just those students in it. We really hope this is helpful for you. Please do click the feedback button in the top right to let us know how we can make this even better for you and keep Picmonicking on.